Hello and welcome to this home workout. Today we have triceps, 3 exercises back to back to back, and then rest for 3 total sets. 3 triceps to get through, too many threes in that equation. Nice whole body workout, upper, lower and abs as well. We are going to need either a resistance band or dumbbells if you have them. If you don't have any, then you can do body weight as well. So we'll get starting, and we're going to get started with some active mobility. So I'm going to go into some hamstring walkouts to begin with. Coming up like so. 5 or so reps just to stretch everything out. 3, 2 more. One more. Okay, from that bottom position, coming into alternate climbers. Alternate climbers. Okay, now we're going to step and add in 5 torso rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fantastic. We're going to come up and go into a lunge with an overhead reach. 1, nice big stretch, up, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to lunge and rotate. 1, 2, 3, and 3. Finally, we're going to go into our hamstring to squat stretch, opening up and closing, opening up and closing, like so, and then coming down into your squat. Very good. Okay, cool. So we're going to get started with our first tricep, which is the lower body tricep. That is squats, RDLs, and then burpees. 30 seconds each exercise. Okay, so we're going to get started with our first exercise. So, resistance band squats in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're coming up for the squat. Let's go. Big drive. 2, 30 seconds continuous. 3, focusing on squeezing the front of the legs. Keeping the tension, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Keeping the tension, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remaining deadlift, stiff legs. Driving the bum back, using the hips. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 20 seconds. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 10 seconds. And then we're going into our third exercise, which is conditioning in 4, 3, 2, 1. Burpees. Let's go. 30 seconds. Let's go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, short rest interval of 15 seconds. Next set, get ready. 10 seconds. Okay, starting with our squats in 4, 3, 2, 1. Chest nice and tall. Sitting down, squeezing, up. Let's go. Keeping the tension. Let's go. 15 seconds. Keeping the tension. Squat, squat, squat. Not locking out at the top. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, bum back. Slight bend in the knee. Stretch the hamstrings. Squeeze the bum. Let's go. Let's go. Tension. 15 seconds. Back of the legs. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, burpees. Let's go. 15 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. 15 seconds. One more set. Get ready. 10 seconds. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 30 seconds. Last set of squats, keeping the knees out, squeezing the front of the leg. Let's go. 17 seconds, keeping the tension. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last set, remaining deadlifts. Let's go. 1. Tension. 2. Squeeze. 20 seconds. Let's go. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last set, burpees. Let's go. All the way, come on. Last set, 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Well done. Okay, next up we have resistance band, pull-ups, push-ups, and then mountain climbers, okay? We're gonna get going in 5 seconds, starting with our resistance band pull-ups in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pull. Pull. 30 seconds continuous, squeezing the back, keeping the arms straight. Let's go. Pull. Pull. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push-ups. Let's go. 30 seconds to start it. 19 seconds. Let's go. Chest to floor. Chest to floor. 10 seconds. Get ready for mountain climbers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, let's go team, let's go. 20 seconds. Knees to chest. Knees to chest. 15 seconds, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds, set 2 or 3. Breathe, get ready, 10 seconds. Okay, in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and pull, let's go. Squeeze in the back, let's go. 20 seconds, keeping the tension, squeezing, let's go. 15 seconds, keep squeezing. I know it burns, that's good, that's what we want. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight back into push-ups. Let's go. Keep the shoulders down, elbows tight, time is ticking. Let's go, let's go. 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Climbers, go, go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 15 seconds rest. Okay, one more set of each to complete our upper body. Get ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pull apart. Big squeeze. Last set of these. Let's go. Squeeze. 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 Come on guys, let's go. 15 seconds. Big pull, big pull. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Last set of push-ups. Let's go. Time's ticking. Let's go. 15 seconds. Keep the tension. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last set. Mountain climbers. Let's go. Let's go. 15 seconds, come on, let's go, keep it moving. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good. Rest there. Okay, 30 seconds rest. We have one more tricep and it's for our abs. Okay. Last tricep then, we've got flutter kicks, Russian twists, and plank walkout. So you're going to need to be on the floor. You don't need any equipment if you want to use a dumbbell for your Russian twists. Be my guest. Okay, fantastic. So, we're going to get going in 10 seconds, starting with flutter kicks, legs out straight, and then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Flutter kicks, legs out straight, kicking, 30 seconds. Keep the tension on the lower abs. 17, 16, 15. Keep that tension for me. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Russian twists, side to side. To make it harder, lift your feet off. 20 seconds. Keep working. 15 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In a plank position. And then walking your arms up and down. Let's go. 15 seconds, let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. Get ready for set 2. 10 seconds. Flutter kicks. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time has started, let's go. Set 2 of 3, make it count. Abs burn the worst, but keep going. 20 seconds, let's go. Come on, let's go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Russian twists. Side to side. Let's go. 15 seconds, keep working. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Plank, time has started. Up and down, up and down. Let's go, come on. 15 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay, 15 seconds, 90 seconds, and then you're done. Get ready. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time started, let's go. Last set, flutter kicks. Make them count. Let's go, 20 seconds. Keep pushing through. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Russian twists. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 15 seconds. Tension on the abs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, for your final 30 seconds, we're actually going to hold for a plank. We're going to hold for a plank, hold it for 60 seconds. Let's go. 1 minute, and then we're done. We've got 50 seconds left. Hold it. Stay in the same position. Hold it. Let's go. 30 seconds left. Hold it. Tension on the tummy, not the lower back. Let's go. Hold it. Hold it. 15 seconds. Keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you are done. Well done.